Do you know what hardships they had to go through to get those delicious, fragrant jackfruits? From planting jackfruit trees to taking care of them and watering them. Let's start discovering each step together with me. First, let's see how the farm owner grafts jackfruit stems to create a seedling for selecting varieties for the new season. The grower chooses a grafting branch from a mother tree that has good quality, delicious fruit, stable growth, and especially no pests or diseases to ensure the tree will grow well later. Next, use a very sharp knife to cut the rootstock and the scion at an angle, so that the two cut surfaces match each other for a more effective graft. Place the scion onto the rootstock. Finally, wrap nylon tape tightly to fix and protect the grafting spot from water or air getting in. After about a week, the branch can be separated and planted directly into the soil. And this is the result after many years of care. Thousands of hectares of jackfruit grow lush and green, with thick canopies of leaves. Every tree is heavy with jackfruit. It truly is a difficult journey, but it is worth the effort put in. These jackfruits are ready to be harvested. Look, the fruits have become big and heavy, and the skin gradually changes from dark green to yellowish green. When coming close to the tree, people can smell the characteristic fragrance of jackfruit beginning to spread from the ripe fruits. If you gently tap the jackfruit with your hand, you will hear a dull and deeper sound compared to an unripe fruit. This is how they harvest large jackfruits. Growers usually harvest by hand to avoid damaging the fruit. They use a sharp knife to carefully cut the jackfruit stem, while supporting the fruit with their hands because jackfruits are usually very big and heavy. After cutting, the jackfruit is gently lowered to avoid falling or getting bruised. The growers then carry baskets of jackfruit from the garden to the outside. Large truckloads of jackfruit are transported to major markets. At the market, the jackfruits are neatly arranged in rows so customers can easily look and choose. The fragrance of ripe jackfruit spreads throughout the market, attracting many people to buy. When selling, the seller often cuts the jackfruit on the spot so customers can see inside the fruit. They use a sharp knife and usually apply a layer of cooking oil on the blade to prevent jackfruit sap from sticking when cutting. Then the jackfruit is placed horizontally and carefully cut in half, so the pods inside are not crushed. Let's watch this guy cutting the jackfruit pods. They look really eye-catching. He uses a knife to skillfully and carefully separate each jackfruit pod from the fiber. The golden jackfruit pods are taken out one by one and placed on a tray. Follow the channel to look forward to the next jackfruit processing part.